Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about some important questions based on directions. Okay. In previous class, I have discussed about directions, the basic model. In this video, I am going to explain some different models when compared to the previous lesson. Okay. If you want to go and see the previous video, please go and visit my channel. In my channel, I have uploaded some of the topics related to banking. Okay. Yeah, I have discussed about syllogisms, blood relations, coded inequalities. Now I am going to discuss about the directions. Okay. First question. A man facing west. Okay. He turns 45 degrees in clockwise direction and another 180 degrees in the same direction. That means clockwise direction. Okay. And then 270 degrees in the anti-clockwise. In which direction is he facing now? Okay. This is the question we have to solve. Okay. In previous classes, I have discussed about a man standing at a point and he moves towards north, west, east and south, whatever the direction it is. They provided some kilometers or meters parameters. Okay. Then we solved the question related to that type of. Okay. Now I am going to solve the questions when they provided degrees like this, 45 degrees, 180 degrees like this. Okay. Let's see. A man facing west. Take a person. Okay. Now, whenever they provided the question like this, we have to draw a compass. Okay. Okay. East, west, north and south. Okay. Now, northeast, southwest and northwest and southeast. Now, we have to solve the question. A man facing west, he turns 45 degrees in clockwise direction. Okay. Now, the man is in west direction. From west, he turns 45 degrees in clockwise direction. This is the west direction. From here, a man turns 45 degrees in clockwise direction. Yeah, clockwise direction means the clock runs like this, right? This is the clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means moving reverse. Okay. Yeah. How the clock moves, right? The fingers of clock moves like this, right? This is the clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means the opposite to clockwise direction. The man facing west direction. From here, he turns 45 degrees in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means like this, right? 45 degrees. From here to here, this is 45 degrees. I already told you that in previous class. If you want to get clarity about this means, please go and see my previous video. Okay. Now, this is the 45 degrees. Isn't it? 45 degrees. Okay. 45 degrees in clockwise direction. I am indicating in clockwise direction like this. Okay. Now, and then he turns another 180 degrees in the same direction. Okay. From here. Yeah. Now, the man is here. From here, he turns another 180 degrees in the same direction. That is in the clockwise direction only. Okay. Now, from here, 180 degrees. This whole area is 90 degrees. Okay. From here to here, this one is 90 degrees. Okay. 90, 90, 180. So, from here to, here to 180 degrees. Got it? Here to here it's 45 degrees. And from here to here it's 180 degrees. Got it? 270 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Then he turns 270 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. Yes, this is the clockwise direction. opposite clockwise direction from here to here, right? We have to take 270 degrees from us. The man is here now, right? From here from here to here, 45, 45, 90 and 45, 45, 180 and 180 and 45, 225, right? 225 and 45, 270. Okay. So finally the man reaches this point, okay, from here to here in anti-clockwise direction. So he walks in anti-clockwise direction. So what is the distance? 270 degrees. Okay, from here to here it's 270 degrees. Got it? This is how we are going to solve this type of questions. Okay. Now, which direction is he facing now? Finally, the man reaches this point. What is this direction? Yeah, here southwest. Clearly we have here the southwest. Okay. Here what is the answer? The man facing in southwest direction. So we have to solve this type of questions like this. Okay. Ravi walks 10 kilometers towards north. From there he walks 6 kilometers towards south. Okay. Then he walks 3 kilometers towards east. How far and in which direction he is now with respect to starting point? Okay. This is the question. Okay. Now I am going to solve this question. Okay. Ravi walks 10 kilometers towards north. Let's take Ravi here. Okay. Ravi walks 10 kilometers towards north. Towards north, Ravi walks 10 kilometers. Okay. Take Ravi as R. Okay. From there, he walks 6 kilometers towards south. From here, south means downwards, right? From here, he walks 6 kilometers towards south. Actually, this distance is 10 kilometers. From here, he walks 6 kilometers towards south. Okay. And he reaches this point. Okay. Now, take it as yes. Okay. South. Then he walks 3 kilometers towards east. From here, he walks 3 kilometers towards east. Okay. Got it? 3 kilometers. This distance is 6 kilometers. Okay. 3 kilometers towards east. Let's take this point as T. Okay. How far and in which direction he is now with respect to starting point. Okay. This is the starting point. How far? Okay. We have to calculate the distance from starting point to final point. R is the starting point and T is the final point, right? So we have to calculate this distance. If we want to calculate this distance means we have to follow the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Yeah. Now I'll discuss about Pythagoras theorem. Okay. One formula is there for this theorem. Okay. What is the formula means? Yeah. We have to calculate this distance, right? This distance is R and T distance. Okay. R and T square is equals to, yeah, R and S. This distance. Okay. This distance and this distance. R and S square plus ST square. This is the Pythagoras theorem formula. Okay. Now from R and S distance, we have already know that R and S distance. From here to here it's 6 kilometers. This total distance is 10 kilometers. From here to here it's 6 kilometers. So this one is 4 kilometers. Got it? Right. Yes. R and S distance is 4 kilometers. S and T distance is 3 kilometers. Now we have to solve. Okay. Square goes to this side and it becomes root. Okay. Square root. So R and S is 4 square plus S and T distance is 3 square. So RT is equals to 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. So here, what is the answer? 25, square root of 25 is 5, right? So, here in the question, how far is he now? Okay. Answer is 5 kilometers. And in which direction he is now? Okay. Yeah. Final point is this. Okay. From here to here we have to calculate. Okay. Now, how we have to do this? This one is north and this one is east. So, in which direction is he now? Northeast. From starting point we have to calculate. So, now he is in northeast direction, the distance of 5 kilometers. Okay, this is the answer for this question. The another question. I am facing east. I turn 100 degrees in the clockwise and then 145 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. Which direction am I facing now? Okay. Yeah, I have already told you that whenever we found this type of problems, we have to draw the directions. Okay. Now, east, west, north and south, northeast, northwest, southwest and southeast. Okay, got it? Now, facing east, I am facing east. I am facing in this direction. I turn 100 degrees in the clockwise direction. Okay, yeah, from here to here it's 90 degrees. From here to 1 point extra. Okay, from here. Okay, 100 degrees. Take it as 100 degrees in clockwise direction. And then 145 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. I am here now. Okay, from here to here we have to take 145 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, here to here it's 100 degrees, as already we know. From here to here it's 100 degrees. And from here to here we have to take 45 degrees. Okay, yeah, finally I am in this point. Okay, I have reached this point here. What is the question means? Which direction am I facing now? In which direction am I facing now? Yeah, clearly we can say that in northeast direction. Now I am in northeast direction. What is the answer here? North east direction. Okay, this is the answer. Some another type of question. Okay, in this question they didn't provided any parameters like in degrees or otherwise in kilometers or meters. Yes, we can solve this type of questions very easily. Okay, you go north. Okay, yes, north. Okay, go north, north, then turn right. Yeah, turn right, then right again, then turn right again. Now he is in this direction. Right means downwards, left means upwards. Okay, we have to turn right means we have to go downwards. Got it? And then go to left. Okay, now the person is in south direction. If the person is in south direction means his left is our right. I have explained in previous class. Yes. His left is our right. So we have to go right. Okay. Yes. In which direction are you now? Which direction? This is which direction? This is east direction. Okay. What is the answer here? East. Krishna moves towards southeast. We have to take southeast direction. Okay. Southeast direction means, yeah, this is south and this is east. In between south and east we have to go like this. Got it? Direction for 7 meters. We have to consider this as 7 meters. Okay. Then he moves towards west and travels a distance of 14 meters. From here to here. From here he moves 14 meters west. Yes, this direction is west direction, as already you know. This direction is west direction. Okay. Yes, this distance is 14 meters. From here he moves towards northwest. Okay. northwest. We have to take the direction northwest. Yes, this is north direction and this is the west direction. In between north and west, we have to go in middle. Okay, yes, he reaches this point. Yes, at a distance of 7 meters. Again, 7 meters. We have to represent this as 7 meters. And finally, he moves a distance of 4 meters towards east. Okay, 4 meters. 4 meters towards east. From here to here, we have to take 4 meters. Okay, yes, and stood at that point. Yeah, now Krishna is in this point. Yes, mark this as C, D and E. And stood at that point. How far is he from starting point? This is the starting point and this is the final point. Now we have to calculate this distance. Yes, we have to calculate EA. Okay, EA is equals to AD minus, okay, D and E. If we do this equation means we get E and A. Okay, yes, EA is equals to, here it is AD. AD is 14, right? We already know that AD is 14 and we have to remove 4 meters. So EA is equals to 10 meters. So here what is the answer? How far means 10 meters. 10 meters from starting point. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the another question I am going to explain now. Okay, Ramu is looking for his friend. He went 90 meters in the east and then turning to his right, he went 20 meters. Then again turning to his right, went 30 meters. From there he went 100 meters to his north. Okay, then he found his friend. How far did Ramu go to meet his friend from starting point? This is the question we have to solve. Yes, Ramu is looking for his friend. He went 90 meters in the east. Okay, take Ramu as, yes, take the starting point here. Okay, yeah, yes, he went 90 meters in the east. We have to go east for 90 meters. Got it? Yes, this distance is 90 meters. Then turning to his right, he went 20 meters. Yes, now he is in this direction. Now he is here. Yes, turning to his right. Right means downwards, left means upwards. Now in the question they have provided that he is turning right now. Okay, turning to his right, he went 20 meters. Okay, take this as B. Okay, take this as C, 20 meters. Then again turning to his right, went another 30 meters. Okay, yes, now he is in south direction. Turning to his right. Right means if the person is in south direction means his right is ours left. Ours left is this direction. Got it? So right and 30 meters. Went 30 meters. Okay, this direction as, this is as 30 meters. Okay, let's take it as D. From there he went 100 meters to his north. Okay, 100 meters north means upwards. Okay, north direction is upward direction. So from here to here it's 20. Okay, we have to take 80 now. Okay, 80, 20, north direction. Now he is in this here. Okay, then he found his friend. How far did Ramu go to meet his friend from starting point? Okay, from starting point we have to calculate the distance. This is the starting point. Okay, we have to calculate this distance. If you want to calculate this distance means we have to go with the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem formula? Yes, AF square. We have to find AF square. Okay, so AF square is equals to AE square plus EF square. Yeah, square goes to this side. Okay, AF is equals to then square root of AE square. AE is, yes, this total distance is 90 meters. Got it? This distance is 30 meters and this distance is 60 meters. Okay, so AE distance is 60 square plus E and F distance is 80 square. Got it? Yes, 60 square is 6 is 36, 3600. I did 64, 6400. Okay, yes, this one. Yeah, what we get here? 3 and 6, 9, 6 and 4, 10. 10,000 here. What is the answer here? Square root of 10,000 is 100. Okay, AF is equals to 100 meters. Okay, for Ramu from starting point, yes, 100 meters. Ramu is 100 meters from starting point. Whenever we solve this type of questions, we have to definitely go with Pythagoras theorem. The formula for this Pythagoras theorem is this. First, go with the previous lesson, then come to this lesson. Okay, then only you'll understand everything. Okay, I hope you understand these questions. Okay, yeah, I'll meet you again in the another topic. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.